friend, welcome to the channel. I have an awesome recipe for you guys today. It's my easy steak fajita tacos, and oh my god, are they delicious. I will have all of your ingredients listed below, so let's get started. So in my bowl I have the following ingredients. I have pineapple juice, lemon juice, olive oil, worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna put in some minced garlic or some chopped garlic, some smoked paprika, some crushed red pepper, granulated garlic, granulated onion, Cajun season, Tajin seasoning, cumin, salt, and pepper. I'm also going to be adding in some cilantro to the mix as well. So I'm going to stir to combine. So you guys, I am using a skirt steak and I have it in a Ziploc to marinate it. If you don't want to use a skirt steak, you can use sirloin or you can use a ribeye, whatever your heart desires, that's what you can use. But the longer you let it marinate, the more flavor absorbs into your meat. So I let mine sit overnight. You do not have to wait for all of that, as always. So in my pan, I have some easy oil and I'm adding some salt and some pepper to my fajita vegetables that I have sliced up. And I'm going to saute these until they are tender. I'm not going to overcook them because the whole point of the fajitas is it's supposed to have a little bit of crunch, and you know that. So anyway, this is an awesome recipe, you guys. That marinade really is terrific. It sets my fajitas different. I think it's because of the pineapple juice, but anyway, I've taken my steak out of the marinade and I am patting it dry. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm going to sear it in a skillet. I'm not putting it on the grill, but even if so, you still want to pat it down so that it doesn't steam. You don't want it to steam. You want it to get a nice crust and, you know, on the outside edge of it and just be delicious. So once this is done, I'm going to cut it into strips. And guess what, you guys? The main ingredients for these fajita tacos is done. So now all I have to do is warm up the tortillas and assemble my tacos. And you guys, here we go. Here are the tacos. They are so done. I have my fajita vegetables and I have my steak in there. I cook my steak into a medium, but you know, you cook it to your liking. And then you can add any ingredients on top that you like. Some pico de gallo, some guacamole, whatever you're feeling, that's what you add. So I want to tell you so much. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for giving me that thumbs up that you just did. And as always, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.